Okay, so really fast. I had this girl in Atlanta who was super duper dope. So to know me is to know I'm super simple, not the big flashy girl, though I do enjoy fashion. But I'm a sneakerhead secretly, and I love my Jordans. And so I had my girl T restore some Jordans for me, and look at what she did. They're like all like new. Hold on, let me show you for any sneakerheads out there. So these are all, I've had them for years, but she went ahead and restored all of these shoes for me. They like damn near new. Like if I had to sell them, I could sell them, but I'm not. These are real hard to find. These two right here, real sneakerheads. No, this is dumb hard to find. Her. Got these with the hot pink. Clean these up for me. Got me all the way right. These are some of my favorite Jordans because they're dumb comfortable. And then I got two more that I'm about to have her do. Hey Marley, say hi. Marley put on her, but now I'm gonna have her do these. So I have these. These are like, you see how they're a little dusty? So I'm gonna have her clean these. And then I got these old Louboutin sneakers. And I'm gonna have her. What you in there doing? Something you're not supposed to. I heard something fall. So, yeah, that's what we doing. Undercover sneakerhead. Hey, Mikey, come here. Come say hi to the people. Say good morning. Miss Courtney. Miss Courtney not on here. Your teacher? You want me to find Miss Courtney? I find Miss Courtney. Say good morning. Say good morning. You can change your pampy. Go tell Miss Tempest change your pampy. Go ask Miss Tempest change your pampy. Because you smell stinky. So that's my life. I just got off of air. I did a call to action today. Wash face, no makeup, let me see your pores challenge. And I definitely added every single one of the housewives of Atlanta and added them for the challenge. I would like to see them. But I would like to see you all too. Hey girl, I'm over here literally talking about my shoes right now. Right now, come on in. I just showed them all the ones you laced. Okay, so y'all want to see who laces my shoes? This is the genie. This is the wizard. This is the wizard herself right here. My shoes are still over there, the ones you brought in the other day. So these some Louboutins. They older. They just need to get like cleaned up. Okay. You know what I'm talking about? There's nothing like really ripped or messed up, but they just need earth right here. I don't know what that means to you. But they definitely need help. And then these, I don't know how I passed these. They just need to get some little clean, little love.
Yeah.
Because my shoes right now, them motherfuckers are sellable.
Oh yeah.
I would never, but. Thank you. Oh, okay. So I gotta plug my homegirl. Everybody's social distancing, keeping it real simple, right? But my homegirl Samaria, if you are in the Atlanta area, will hook it up. So tell the people what you offering.
I have Hennessy margaritas, 1800 margaritas, and lemon drops right now.
Boom.
Made with Tito's.
Straw's already in there. She ain't got to touch you. You ain't got to touch her.
I'm going to set it on the porch.
She gonna set it.
Cash at me.
Boom. So I want you to go on here and put what your information is and pin it so that the people can find. We had 16,000 on live yesterday, so you'd be amazed how many people.
That's crazy.
Hop on here. They're gonna be fresh. And they look good with your jacket. Damn, your shoes is fresh. I should have known though. I should have known. Yo, my shoes in here are so right.
I got you. It's easy.
Okay, so y'all got it. Let me pin it, post it. Let me pin it. Okay, so if y'all are in the Atlanta area and you need some quick booze, you can't leave the house, kids driving you crazy, don't trip. It's pinned right there, the Boozy Tender, right there on Instagram. And if you got Jordan sneakers and you need rehabilitation, refurbished, like, oh my God, I love these shoes, but they are all messed up now. I am telling you, Dedicated Souls with a Z, I told you, not one pair of these shoes are new. Like, literally, I've worn at least 10 to 15 times each pair of these shoes, and she redid everything. So, I don't know. I can't tell you her prices because it depends on exactly what it is you need when it comes to your shoes. Like, sometimes it's just deep cleaning. She had to detach some of my shit and reattach it. I done messed my shoe up so bad. But she got everything you need. And then when it comes to drink, do you already have drink prices? They want to know.
So
no,
what
she
she
don't have.
has in her hand is a lemon drop.
Yes.
And the lemon drops are 12.
Boom.
Hennessy Margarita is a 16-ounce pouch. And Hennessy Margaritas are 15. 1,800 margaritas are 12.
So she is a bartender by trade. She is coronavirus negative tested. And she has been self-quarantining for few weeks now, and everybody got money to make, and today's the 1st. There's no April Fools, mortgages and rents and shits and car notes is due. So let's fuel this economy. For those that can, we can still make money and spend money, but do it in a very safe way. I'm about to get my drink on and sit in the house with some very nice sneakers, and you can too. Check out those pins, follow my girls, and yeah, happy Wednesday. Wash up Wednesday.